Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete a video from YouTube on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, you need to go to the YouTube app on your iPhone. Then here we have Home, we have Shorts, Subscriptions. We click Library, and then in the top right corner, we have to go to your profile. As you can see, I have that. Now we close it. Click your video. Go to Library. Click on your video. Click on the video that we want to delete. Click on it. Next we have Share, Edit, Save to Device. We press Delete with you. And after that, we press Delete Video. In this simple way, you can delete absolutely any video from YouTube on your iPhone. If you helped and liked this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.